Oh my God. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this live. My name is Arash. Today, we are going to talk about Bitcoin. We are checking, we are going to actually check Bitcoin technical analysis. After that, we are going to check some on-chain activities about cryptocurrency market. I recommend you to watch this live carefully until the end because this live might help you to take the wise decision in financial markets. And let's wait for some people. After that, we can begin. Hi, hi everyone. How's it going? So right now Bitcoin price is $37,900. I have some analysis about Bitcoin about upcoming days, which is quite important, and I recommend you to watch this live. Before I begin, I'm telling you that this live video, everything you hear, everything you see, is not a financial advice. This is what I'm going to do. Nothing is no advice at all. Okay, so let's begin, and let me rotate this camera. You can see this chart clearly. I'm feeling better, thank you. And as you can see, we had an uptrend in Bitcoin, the first wave. After that, in this area, somewhere like $38,000, we had some weakness in the market, and we had a rejection from this level. Okay. After that, you can see that we are having another wave to the upside, but this wave is quite weak, guys. Okay, it's really weak, and also we have broken below this trend line right now, and we might see some lower levels. We might see it. And also, there is one more thing that you need to know in this video, which is we are having this trend line too, and we are still above this trend line. Not above it, not really below this one. But in my opinion, we are going to see some lower levels for Bitcoin. I have some reasons. The first reason is that the weekly close for Bitcoin is going to be 5 hours from now on. Okay, 5 hours from now on, we are going to see some closes in Bitcoin price. And we are below this level. Hi Wolf, how are you doing? We are below this level, okay? And this whole green movement is some sort of pullback, okay? In the upcoming week, I think we are going to see a bearish movement for Bitcoin. We are going to see another rejection. This is my opinion. And that's why I have sold one Bitcoin in order to buy it in lower prices. Okay, this is my opinion. And also we can check the daily time frame of the Bitcoin. In the daily time frame, you can see that we had one bearish wave, and we are having a gradual correction to the upside. This whole movement is a correction, and if we wanted to see some reversal from this level, we have the reversal had to be sharper. Okay, and right now I am suffering from this coronavirus, this new type actually, and I might cough in this video. There is nothing to be worried about. This is some sort of side effects. I'm quite well. And right now, I think we are going to see this potential support area once more. This is my analysis. This is what I think is going to happen. And I think we are going to see these lower levels again. This is my opinion. Somewhere around 34 might be good. And also, we might even see somewhere around 33. This is what I think right now about Bitcoin, and that's why I'm I'm selling actually. Okay, I'm selling in order to buying lower, but this is what I do. This is not a financial advice. I do not recommend you to do this. Okay, this is what I do. Do your own research, do your own analysis. After that, you can actually take decision. And if you want to check some on-chain activities, sorry about that. If I want to check some on-chain activities, wallets with more than 0.1 Bitcoin, if I zoom in, you can see that. You cannot see it. Wait me. Wallets with more than 0.1 Bitcoin, they are selling a little bit. Wallets with more than 1 Bitcoin, selling again. 10 Bitcoin, they are selling once more. And 100 Bitcoin, yeah, you can see that. On-chain activity is not good at all. On-chain status is not good at all. With this on-chain activity, I'm pretty sure that we are going to see some lower levels in the upcoming days. This is what I think right now, and yeah. But I'm telling you that you have to do your own research. I had some warnings about market when price was up here, and even up there and up there. You know, this on-chain activity guided me through this crisis, but right now it's not good again. So when it's not good again, we might see some lower levels again. And yeah, I think it's not good right now. Let's check exchange balance. As you can see, exchange balance is moving down too. Price is moving up a little bit. Exchange balance is moving down. But I think from this level, we are going to see another rejection and exchange balance will move up in the upcoming days. This is my analysis right now. This is what I think right now. I don't know why, but I think this is going to be happening. And if we want to check the USDT balance, you can see that the amount of USDT in the exchanges is having some sort of breakouts. This area was a high for this index. 7B was the top for the exchange balance of the Tether in the market. Right now, we are having some sort of breakout, and we are somewhere near 8B. Not good at all. Not good at all is not true. It's good for long-term trend, because right now there is too much Tether in the market. They might want to buy, but right now in the short term, the effect is some bearish movement. Okay, the effect is some sort of bearish movement in the market. And yeah, let's check some other indicators or some other stuff in the cryptocurrency market in order to see what the hell is going on here. If we check market indicator for Bitcoin again, let me find some good stuff. We can check hash ribbon all the time. Not a bearish signal yet, which is good. But I think we are going to see the lower levels. We can check stablecoin supply ratio. You can see that it's pretty low. And when a stablecoin supply ratio is going down like this, when it's going down, stablecoins have too much power to buy Bitcoin. We might see Bitcoin at $40,000. It's not really special. It's a little bit more. But after that, what happens after that if we see $40,000 on Bitcoin? Do you think we can break above this level? If you zoom out, my answer is no. My answer is no. If we move up and if we even see $40,000, there is still some short opportunity in my strategy, because we are below this potential level. This 40K level was pretty huge. We break below this level, and right now, when we break below the level like this, it's not good at all. okay? And you know, if it was a stop hunter only, we could move back above this level pretty fast. But right now you can see that we are below this level for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 days we are below $40,000, and you know, it's not good at all. That's why I think, you know, the market wants to see some lower levels in the upcoming days. And yeah, not a financial advice. Again, I'm keep mentioning my opinion, but I'm telling you that this is not a financial advice. And we might have some stop hunters above this level. We might see some sort of stop hunter up to even $40,000. After that, we can see a rejection, and also we can see the rejection from this level too. Okay, it's not a big deal. My stop loss is here right now. My stop loss is here. If price moves up above this level, I'm going to buy back my Bitcoin. But right now, I am selling, and I'm waiting for some lower levels in upcoming days. This is what I do. And yeah, you can see this trend line. Not confirmed yet. This breakout is not confirmed yet. But if we see one big red candle to the downside, this analysis is going to get confirmed, in my opinion. And after that, we can see some lower levels too. So right now, this is everything we need to know about Bitcoin. And this is what I'm doing right now, actually. We can actually check Ethereum dollar too. Let's check Ethereum, because Ethereum is too important. If we want to check Ethereum, we have to find the previous support in Ethereum, which was here. You know, the previous support was this area. You can see that below this level, we are bearish. Above this level, we are bullish. And you know, even here, we were bullish again. And right now, we are below this level again. So in the upcoming days, if Ethereum moves up even more, I think we are going to see another rejection to the downside. You know, we might see some high levels for Ethereum. We might see it, but after that, I think we are going to see some lower levels for Ethereum too. And right now, I think, yeah, we can see one big red candle here. When you have a one big red candle like this 50% area of this big red candle is going to work as a, you might see somewhere like 2008 or another $200 to the upside for Ethereum. But I think after that, we are going to see lower levels again. So right now, my analysis about Ethereum is bearish this level, okay? But my opinion is still bearish. And you know, we have to wait for the market sentiment to return. And we had some extreme fear days for cryptocurrency market. And in order to see some rotation in the market, we need to wait. And actually, we can take a look at USDT dominance. If you take a look at this USDT dominance, you can see that we are somewhere near the previous all-time high for USDT dominance. And each time this dominance moves up, it forms a low somewhere near the previous, each time this dominance moves up, I'm sorry, it forms a high somewhere near the previous high, which was here, and you can see that it's here, and we might have another high somewhere near the previous high. Learning V, you are saying that you are selling and entering short position because I did that. I'm telling you that if you have made money, you did it, and if you have lost money, you did it again. So because what I'm doing here is not a financial advice, and this whole life has been made with educational purposes. I'm keep repeating it. And right now you can see that for this index, the previous all-time high for USDT dominance is somewhere around here. And I think if USDT dominance moves up a little more to this area, we are going to see a rejection for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can bounce to the upside from these levels. Okay, and Bitcoin can bounce from these levels, and this area can be somewhere around $30,000, or we can even see some penetration in the market. But after that, I think we can see some higher levels. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's live. Don't forget that this whole live was not a financial advice. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I think is going to happen in upcoming days. I hope you enjoyed this live video. If it was useful for you, give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to recommend my channel to your friends, to your, I don't know, families, anybody who is interested to learn about cryptocurrency market. We are having daily videos about tips and tricks in financial markets, and I hope you check those videos. I'm going to see you later tomorrow night. Bye for now.